What's up guys, Jay here, and today we're going to work on some more of my forest terrain. Good luck me. Let's get into it. First, I choose my pieces and I cut them down, and then I glue them together. Once we get that completed, we're going to stack them into a shape that works a little better for the style I'm going for. Then we're going to glue the rest of the pieces together after doing that. Once we have shapes that are somewhat what we're going for, we'll then trace the pieces from there. When I'm doing this, of course, I use my hot glue gun. Makes it very simple. I've never had issues using hot glue with foam. I have a gun that the glue doesn't get excessively hot with, so I'm sure that I don't have to worry about insulation foam having issues with mildly hot glue. It's insulation foam. It's dense. It can hold up. At this point, I create or use a main shape that I already have. I use my hot wire cutter to cut the outline shape. After that, I use the hot glue gun to glue everything together. This from here is where you're gonna be able to see really what your idea is, essentially how it looks, how it's come together. If you really like it, then you're gonna trim it down and make it look more rocky or mountainy, whatever you're going for. You're gonna use a razor blade, knife, anything you have that makes it easy to just trim it down. Don't go crazy. Just do what you can. You know, make it look natural. The more natural, the better. Really like how it's coming so far. Bridge, lake, glacier, forest thingy. We're going to paint it or seal it, depending on what you're using. This is basically a pre-coat to priming that just seals all the cracks that I'm doing here. I did this in the first video with the Vallejo texture that I used. I also like it because it adds a different texture to the terrain that I'm creating. Works pretty well. Rocky, natural stuff. I'm not good at grammar, but it looks cool. After this, I take it outside and I prime it. I usually use two different primers. I'll go with like a black, and then I'll use a shade of white at the top just to make sure that my paint kind of also has a more natural effect as I want it on a miniature. Then after that, I paint it. I paint it good. I paint it well. You guys saw me paint before. If you didn't, go look at the last video. Me doing terrain. Sorry, I'll punish myself later. Anyways, then we of course put some of my texturing on it or some of the other pieces that I choose to use in the terrain for this to make it look foresty. At that point, of course, there's a little divot at the top there. That is going to be my lake or my pond that I wanted in this cool bridge terrain piece that I'm building. So of course, I had to mix up some epoxy and pour it in there. I used coloring for this. It's not just see-through. I had an idea at the store. I can use my head sometimes, I promise. We let it mix up. We let it turn green, and then we pour it in. Yeah. Yeah. I actually had to make more afterwards, but you don't see me do that in the video. You just see me use 2 batches of it, because of course, why would I ever mix it out correctly? I'm not the only one. You know you would do it too. Don't even lie. Sorry, I didn't mean to get friendly with you. I love you all. You're amazing. Truly. Beautiful people. All of you.
I hope you like my terrain piece. I worked very hard on it.
Alright, the beautiful land pieces have been completed. Let's check them out all together. In the forest of Happy Space Wotan. Dwarves. Oz. The Forest of Oz. There we go. Let's check it out. Alright. That's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. PJ out. Stay heretic. Stay heretical heretics.